everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your Badoo account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family. So what you will do is you will simply go to your Badoo app, simply tap on the app, and as you can see, once your app is open, you will see this particular interface will open up. Here you will simply tap on this profile icon below red corner, tap on that icon and this interface will open up. Then you will simply tap on this option called settings, simply tap on it, and here you can see the second option called account, tap on that option, and then this particular interface will open up, and then you can see the down below option called delete account, right? So if you will tap on that delete account, here you will see this particular interface where if you would be fine to just be hidden for a while, then you can choose any of the options, or if you just want to delete your account, then you can see this option called delete your account option below, simply choose that one, tap on this continue option, and this is another interface will come out where you can see can we change your mind option. If you still want to delete your account, you can see the below option, no delete my account, simply tap on that and your account will be deleted easily. I'm not gonna tap because I do not want to delete my account, so if you want to, you can just follow the steps that I have showed you over here and you can delete your account as you would like to. So yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.